I never wear skirts, so I feel very uncomfortable and like out of place. So please tell me that I look cute today in the comments. Hello everyone, welcome to today's video. My name is Kenzie. If you did not know that, now you know. And you guys, today I'm going to be sharing with you 5 ways to style a Chanel classic flap.
So until then, just wait.
If this is your first time ever seeing me, then hello, I'm so happy to have you. My name is Kenzie. I make a lot of videos about luxury handbags, luxury fashion, travel, jewelry, but mostly handbags. I like those a lot. But if any of that sounds fun to you, if you like the idea, then I would ask you to consider clicking the subscribe button and give this video a like, and ding the little bell down there so you're notified every time I upload. And without any further ado, let's get on into the video. So, I have done one other video like this, and I did 5 ways to style a Lady Dior bag. I will have that linked up here, and in the description for you if you have not seen that one already. And now I want to do how to style a Chanel classic flap, because I do know a lot of people like want a Chanel classic flap, but they never know how to pair it with an outfit. They think that you have to wear super formal clothing, or it has to be like a night out bag, or that it has to be worn at like a fancy event or something like that. And I personally do not think that's true at all. I think that you can wear a Chanel classic flap with literally any outfit. So I am going to style it for you today. I have 5 outfits that I want to share with you. I have one that's like super mega very casual. I have one that's still casual but a little more elevated. I have one that's kind of like a more edgier style. I have a business outfit, and then I have a formal look as well. So I will be linking everything in the description for you. Everything that I'm wearing, everything that I have on, all of my shoes, everything will be linked in the description for you, as long as it's still available if you want to shop. So yeah, let's just get started right now. So the first outfit I have here is going to be the super duper casual outfit. And for this, I have a bodysuit, a black bodysuit from Aritzia. And this is just like, just a bodysuit. It's very, very simple. It's meant for like cycling probably. I think it's like a cycling bodysuit or something. But I usually love wearing these when I go to run errands. And then I'll normally put like a little button down over top. I'm just using white today as an example, but you can use whatever color you want to. I do have like a monochromatic moment here. And then for my shoes, I have my Tory Burch sneakers. These are the Good Luck sneakers, I believe that's what they're called, and I have mine in the color biscotti. So with this outfit, I think it would just look so cute. One thing that I will say is I am going to be showing my black classic flap and my green classic flap. The reason why I'm showing both is because I know some people think the black and gold classic flap is way too formal just no matter what, and you would rather have like a fun color. I will show both of them with each outfit. Do I think both of them goes with each outfit? No, I do have a few of them picked out specifically for the black one, and I do have a few specifically picked out for the green one. All right, here is outfit number 1. We've got the very casual black bodysuit on with my white button down, and then we've got the black classic flap. You can wear it on your shoulder like this, so freaking cute. You could also wear it as like a long shoulder bag as well. I think that would also make it look a little more casual too. You could also crossbody this bag with this outfit, and honestly I love crossbodying my Chanel bags. I know a lot of people say that the strap is way too short to crossbody, but I definitely disagree. I think that you can totally crossbody these Chanel bags like this because it's so cute. It just looks adorable. Kind of reminds me of like a bum bag, like a fanny pack or something like this. And then of course I've got my sneakers on, and I did just put on some white crew socks with them just because, you know, that's the vibe that we're going for. So cute. Here is the same outfit but with my green classic flap. As you can see, it does add a really nice color detail, and I think you could wear this with this too. I tend to wear my green classic flap with more white outfits just because I'm afraid that black, this is probably me and I need to get over this, but I'm afraid that black and like any other like lighter color is just going to make, it's just gonna look odd because, you know, it's a light color. It makes sense to go with light clothing, but I know a lot of people wear colored bags with black outfits. Like, I know that's a thing people do. So that was outfit number 1. Let me know what you thought of it. Next up, we have an outfit that is still pretty casual, but it's a little more elevated. This is something that I probably would just also wear at any time, but it would be great for if you were like meeting friends for lunch, meeting somebody for lunch, doing anything like that, even like a more informal meeting or something. It would be great. And I also think this would be a nice casual something to wear to the workplace as well. Like if you have casual Fridays, if you're in an office and you have to dress like business casual normally, and if you have like casual Fridays or something, I think this would be a wonderful outfit to wear for that. I have a white tank top right here from Free People, and this is just a basic tank top. You can wear whatever kind of white tank top you would like. Then I have this absolutely beautiful, amazing, stunning, gorgeous button-down top from Scanlan Theodore, and this is just absolutely stunning. Like, look at this. It is a emerald green button down. I have been obsessed with green this summer. Like, look at my top right now. It's just mint. Oh, so great. But I have just been loving the color green this summer. And with that, I have my Victoria Beard high-waisted jeans, and these are in a size 26. The first ones that I got were in a size 28 because I didn't know if they were going to get a 27 back in stock. So I just tried the 28s just to see if I could wear them. They were way, way, way too big. So then I just happened to be looking on the Saks Fifth Avenue website, and they had a 26 available. So I bought them immediately. So yeah, I really love these jeans. They're really nice, and I think they would just pair really nicely with this outfit. And with this outfit, I have my Celine sneakers. I do still love these babies so much. I wear them a lot. I wear them a lot. So, and they're just really, really great. They're very comfortable. I really like these sneakers. So this is the outfit that I have for my second Chanel look. All right, you guys, here is the second outfit in all of her glory. I am obsessed with this outfit. And then we've got the black Chanel Classic Flap, of course. And then this one, since it's more of it's still casual, but it's still a little more elevated. I've got her on the shoulder this time. So freaking cute. And then, of course, you can do the one strap moment. I really like wearing my classic flaps with the one strap. I just think it looks really nice. And then I did do like a half tuck on this side because I like that look. I know a lot of people do like a full tuck and they tuck this side in too, but I'm really digging the half tuck. And you don't even have to do that. You can let it out if you wanted to. I probably wouldn't wear this one with this green just because I feel like it does clash a little bit. Maybe other people out there are like, what do you mean? That bag looks better than the black one with this outfit. I have no idea, but I just wanted to show both of them to you. Here is the green bag. And of course you can wear it on the crook of your arm as well. Little under the arm moment. On to outfit number 3. This one is very simple, very classic, if you will. It is more of an edgy style. Now, I do not have a typical edgy style that I know a lot of other people have, like people that still kind of dress a little more alternative. There is a girl that I follow named Rachel. Her Instagram is like, I'm gonna say it wrong, Jag but she has more of a alternative style, and because I don't feel like I have that much of a edgy style, and I don't just want to be like, look how edgy I am, because anybody that's actually edgy is gonna be like, bitch, what are you doing? I have this really cute dress from Urban Outfitters, and it was a few years ago. I don't know if they still make this. I'll definitely link it if they do, but it's just like this cute baby doll dress, and it's like a blackish gray. It's not black, but it's like a super dark gray color. And again, you could add some fishnets, you could add some tights to this, you could add whatever you wanted to this. You did pair it with my Doc Martens right here. I do have, these ones are like the Jaden Doc Martens, I believe, and they are vegan leather. I really like these. I like the fact that they were vegan leather, but I also just love the look of them. I think they're really nice. I like them. All right, here is that third outfit. She's so cute with the Doc Martens. And then of course I said you can wear like some tights or some kind of other leggings. and I think it would just look so cute. But this one, I did have the black Chanel in mind because it is more of a dark outfit, but I think it just looks so cool. And if you don't love the gold, like if you don't like the black and gold, and if you want to do like a black and silver moment too, then you can totally do that as well. But here's what she looks like. This one I probably wouldn't crossbody with wearing a dress. I just think that it looks so much nicer doing like the double strap or a single strap on the shoulder like this. The other one, again, of course, it's really nice. I mean, it just looks good. It does go together. I mean, it's just a color and a black dress, or a black and like a gray, dark gray dress. I mean, it does technically work. It does take away the edgy vibe for me just a little bit if you wear like this kind of color with this outfit, but I mean, maybe it doesn't. Maybe it's kind of even better. There's this girl on TikTok that I follow, and she has a more alternative style. She has a lot of tattoos, and she's British, and she always wears very, very bold, bright, fun colors. So maybe something like this would even look nice. All right, you guys, here is outfit number 5. I'm so obsessed with this outfit. I'm so excited to put it on. But I have these pants from Aritzia. They are just these black, they're not leggings, but they're like wide leg, just kind of pants. They're not jeans, they're not dress pants or anything, but they still look very, very flattering and very, very like formal. Not formal, but this is more of like a business outfit, if you will. Like if you're someone that has to go into the office, or if you are in like a business setting, I think this outfit would just be beautiful. And then I have this absolutely stunning, like beautiful, like royal blue button down. It's silk or satin or whatever, but this is from Zara, and I still have the tag on it, but look at this color. I am obsessed with this color. I love it so, so much, and I think it would just look so nice. And then on top of that, of course, I had to do a blazer moment. Of course, I had to do my Cinq de Sept black blazer, and it has the ruching detail on the sleeves. And I got this one from Neiman Marcus, and it is Cinq de Sept, SINQ space A space SEPT. Cinq de Sept. I don't know. You could 100% wear a white blazer with this outfit as well. I don't have a white blazer right now. I don't have a white blazer right now, but I do want to get one in the future. Maybe I'll get the same brand because I really do like this guy. All right, you guys, here is the 5th look. I feel like very strong, very powerful, very like boss babe. I love this look so much. The really beautiful blue, I kind of put the blazer over my shoulders like this, but I don't think it's big enough for that. So I might just, you could either wear it just by itself like this, or just put the blazer on like normal and have it like that. So that would also look really, really nice. And I also think if you didn't want to wear the blazer, you don't have to wear the blazer either. But this just looks so beautiful, so classic, so not like, I mean, it is definitely more mature, more formal, but it's like a business look. Like I'm ready to go like sign some contracts. And I think for this, definitely a double strap shoulder moment. And also you have shoulder pads right here, so you don't have to worry about it falling off your shoulder because it just gets stuck behind the shoulder pads. How amazing is that? So you never have to worry about your bag falling off. This is great. And then here is the green Chanel as well. Again, I don't think that this kind of fits this outfit, but I mean, obviously you do you and wear exactly what you want to wear. And like if you wanted to, you could do something like that. I would be very, very afraid to wear this bag with all of this black. The only thing that's not black is the top, so I would be afraid of color transfer. But of course, this is just an option. Like you don't have to wear all this black. You could wear a different color top and like white and white pants, or white pants and a colored top, or whatever. I'm just giving you like categories, and this is like the business category that I chose, but I'm just kind of putting this with each of my bags, like with the black one, with the colored one, just so you can kind of see what you can wear each color with. Like I think there's so much versatility, and it's just to give you ideas. So there's that, and then we have one more outfit to go. Oh, and with that outfit, I did have these shoes. Now, I don't think these shoes match very well. I do have some shoes coming in the mail that are black that are very similar to this, but they will come in by the time that this video gets edited and uploaded. They're coming in today. So I will just quickly show them to you after they arrive and just pretend that they're with outfit number 4. Because hello, I wanted to show you the shoes that I was talking about for the number 4 outfit. These are the ones that I got in the mail, and I'm actually literally editing this video right now, but I forgot to shoot this yesterday, so I'm doing it right now for you. Hope the audio is not too bad, but yeah, just imagine the 4th outfit with these shoes, and I think it would look so cool, so like boss babe. That's my dog's Bone. It would just look so great. It would just look so flattering and nice, and I think these would be really, really great for the 4th outfit. All right, you guys, my final outfit is going to be something very formal, something that, you know, when someone normally thinks of a Chanel classic flap, they normally think of this kind of outfit, or something even more formal than this. I don't wear very much formal attire because I don't go anywhere, I don't do anything, so my formal stuff is definitely very, very limited. I have my black bodysuit or my black jumpsuit that I used as the formal option in my Dior video, and I didn't just want to repeat that. I wanted to do something a little bit different, and it is like super summertime. I did wear this dress that I'm about to show you to a wedding that is formal, but also I wore it for Easter, so I don't know. But here is the dress. She's beautiful. She is like this beautiful periwinkle color, and it's amazing. I got this from Free People, I think a year and a half ago maybe, and oh man, she's just stunning. Very, very flowy. It has a really deep V-neck here, and it's just an amazing, stunning dress. You guys, here is the final outfit. This is more of the like formal type outfit. Again, I don't have too much formal wear, so this is as formal as I got, and I did pair these shoes with this outfit instead, and it's so freaking cute. Look at it. It's just so beautiful. I love this dress. This reminds me of like a Zimmermann dress, but definitely like $600 cheaper. Really, really nice. And then you of course have your black one here. Now I do think personally the black is a little too intense for this dress. I think if I had a white classic flap, I would absolutely wear it, but the black I think is a little too intense myself. But I mean, it is nice. I mean, it does technically match because I mean, black matches everything. I do think there is a bit, it's a bit much for this dress, but I still think it's nice. I actually really had this bag in mind when I'm picking out this outfit because I was like, oh my god, this would look so cute. You have like this periwinkle color and like a cute kind of minty green Tiffany blue bag. It would just look adorable. It would just look like pastel fairyland vibes, and I'm so here for that. So this is the bag that I had in mind with this outfit, and I think it works so cute. I just love it to pieces. I wouldn't crossbody this with this dress. I would probably wear it on the one shoulder, like the one strap shoulder bag like this. I think this is how I would 100% carry the bag. You guys, that has been my 5 ways on how to style a Chanel classic flap. I showed you a black and gold one, and I showed you a green with silver hardware, so like a classic black and a nice fun color, and I really hope they enjoyed the video. I love the outfits that I put together. I think they were just so freaking cute, and I love doing these types of like fashion style videos. I think it's just really, really fun. But let me know in the comments which one of these outfits was your favorite. Which one do you think that you would wear the most? Let me know in the comments as well if you already have like another outfit that you like wearing your Chanel with that I did not show in this video, and just leave me in the comment telling me anything, just because I want to know that. I'm very nosy. But you guys, again, I really hope they enjoyed the video. If you did, then go ahead and click the subscribe button and give this video a like, and ding the little bell down there so you're notified every time I upload. And you guys, I'll see you in the next video. Bye!